Hello everyone, I'm Ann Baldwin and welcome to this edition of Law Talks. I'm joined today by attorney Ray Hassett from the law firm of Hassett and George. And we're talking about DUIs. Of course, you've got a very complex chart that kind of walks you through the process on your website. But let's talk a little bit about the importance of having an attorney should you get arrested for a DUI.
Well, when you're arrested, there's a whole host of different obligations that the police have to follow, both when in their police reporting and reporting it to the court system. So it's very important that an attorney who's experienced in this type of law evaluates the police report and gives all options that are available. There may be defenses, there may not be defenses. That's really for an attorney that's got some experience to review it and evaluate it.
And so some folks don't go for an attorney, but depending on your prior history and things, it is important that you have legal representation through the process?
Sure, absolutely. The penalties imposed both in the suspension by the DMV and the legal criminal case escalate dramatically if in fact you've been arrested previously, and depending upon when you've been arrested and or convicted predominantly, it's very important that you know what your rights are, because once again, there's a tremendous difference from a first arrest to a subsequent arrest.
Some very interesting and important information that you need to know. Thank you for joining us for this edition of Law Talks. Of course, additional information is on the website at hgesq.com.